Hello and welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show how to set up Verizon parental control. To set up Verizon parental control through the Verizon family app or mobile device or the Verizon home app for home Wi-Fi. Both apps let you pause the internet, block bad website and set daily screen time limits. For mobile phones, what you can do is get the Verizon Family app on your phone, install the Verizon Family Companion app on your child's phone, open the app on your phone, send the setup link to your child's phone and follow the steps to link the device. Next, what you can do is set a rules. Tap the family profiles, tap to pick a child, choose filter content to block certain apps or web categories. And if you are using for home internet, what you can do is enroll it, create a profile. After you create a profile, assign devices and set limits. Choose daily limit to cap total internet time or use set schedule to turn Wi-Fi at bedtime. If you still have any questions, you can comment down below.